This is about those recent purchases that came in. They had the electric fuel pump on there that wasn't acceptable. This is a freeze plug that was cracked and leaking. They tried to cover it up. This is what they were using with the exhaust, and that's what they put in place to try to make it work. And then they used this right here, but they hacked off that to make it work. But we got the exhaust put back together. Carburetor had some issues. Everything's had some issues on it. I'm going to show you this flame arrestor where it was just sitting on the engine and hitting the flame arrestor. But the main thing we're just dealing with today is the ESA, or the stutter switch system, because they had hacked it completely apart. So we're going to show it's working. Go ahead. Let me see a flame arrestor, please. So we sort of wondered why there wasn't a stud in the carburetor, but then we realized that they couldn't put the stud on there because this is the wrong flame arrestor, and the choke mechanism was hitting the inside of the flame arrestor, so that's why it's just rattling around on top without a nut on it. And here's the ESA. They hacked it off pretty bad. So you had to cut the boat off to make it shift. Do you have the old CDI parts? And so when they were taking this apart, they cut these wires off just flush. So that's why we had to replace that. And they took the back PSA module off, cut the plate to make it work. And it goes on and on, but there's how the exhaust is supposed to look, with the right adapters instead of what they had on there. So the ESA now works. So it kills the motor when you try to shift it. Go ahead and shift it. Okay. Prop is stopped.